Hello, children. So today's the December 20th, and 2 days ago, I was one of the first to find out about a company's public offering. Saw that it had gone public, and then read the news as soon as it came out that they had acquired a company that writes like blockchain software and things. Now, if you're not familiar with that, it's kind of complicated stuff, but basically blockchain seems to be like the new security method and the exchange system where cryptocurrencies are exchanged, and it can do a whole bunch of other functions, but that's what most people kind of understand it as right now. Well, because of that, I turned about a $7,000 investment into $10,000 profit in one day. At one point it was much higher than that, but you know, as the stock market goes, you kind of ride the waves. But in the end, you know, as of today, 2 days later, I have secured $10,000. I'm no longer really invested in that company. And so anyway, it's the biggest payday that I've ever had, $10,000 in one day. So anyway, you cannot grow your fund if you're not willing to start it, right? That's the thing, is most people don't get excited about the pennies, but I get so excited about just a small return, as long as it doesn't take a lot of my time, right? Like, so I get excited about, you know, a couple percent here and there on a few $1,000s, whereas some people go, well, that doesn't change my life at all, I'm going to go buy a new car. Well, here's the thing, is then if you can't do the little things, you'll never get the big ones, right? So I was able to slowly build up a fund on a year that I started a new business. I quit my standard job, all these things. I made way less money this year than I have for a few years, and yet I was still able to put the spare cash into the stock market and keep investing and investing, and look at me. I just hit a good one, right? Made 10 grand in one day. A great payday. So here's the thing, is jump on board. Like, start investing. Every time you get paid, take a chunk of that money. I would recommend at least 10%. Take a piece of that money, send it straight to your stock account, or other investment accounts. Like, I'm not, like, obviously the stock market's what I know, but if you know something else, send that money straight there first thing, and then, you know, live off the rest. Most people live off their money and then invest the rest, which is zero. You have to take your money and invest it and then live off the rest, right? And eventually you get to the point where you start making money just like I did, right? Like, I make a small amount of money pretty much weekly, but I make a big amount of money every once in a while, right? So jump in, get invested is a very exciting day. That's the most money I've ever made in a single day, and so now I've got a new standard. But anyway, just wanted to share that with you. Like, you've got to get excited about the small stuff, or you will never invest the big, you know, make the big stuff. My eyes like weird because the light's on one side, so that one looks closed. If you want my stock market tips and updates, you know, picks of the week, pick of the month, whatever, when I find new things that I'm invested in. If you want my starter picks, right, some slightly more secure dividend stocks is what I usually prefer, that pay a monthly dividend. If you want these things, click the link below, sign up to be a part of our group, and we'll all invest together and kind of ride this wave together. Right now is a fun time to be in the stock market. It won't last, of course. Just like history shows, it ebbs and flows. And right now we got a really bullish market happening, and it's a lot of fun. But you have to also protect your downside. So I'll kind of talk to you about my strategy. I'll show you my strategies for that as well. Anyway, click the link below. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and get involved. Thanks for watching, guys.